Hey everybody, it's me, Michael Schlow, and I'm here in Washington, D.C. at the Alta Strada restaurant right on King Street. And my good friend, Dr. William Lee, had put out 10 great things that we can eat right now to help build your immune system during coronavirus, or really for any time. There's 10 things on his list. I'm gonna try and use 5. The first thing he said, pomegranate juice. So I said, Dr. Lee, is it okay if we make it into pomegranate martinis? And he said, Michael, any way you can get your pomegranate on is okay by me. So we're not gonna drink that right now, but I'm gonna make a pasta today using mushrooms, tomatoes, some good extra virgin olive oil, which is what I'm gonna start with. And I made some homemade fettuccine. I'm gonna take a little bit of garlic and brown that in the oil first. So to that garlic, it's browned, a little bit of rosemary. Mushrooms go in. These are just cremini mushrooms. But Dr. Lee said, you can use any kind of mushroom you want. Next thing I'm gonna put in is some tomatoes. They go right in. A little bit of chicken stock. We let that cook. I'm gonna drop in some fresh fettuccine. This cooks in about a minute and a half tops. To this, I'm gonna just sort of smash up these tomatoes a little bit so they give off some juice as they're sauteing and poaching in this liquid. And again, it's a super simple dish that you can throw together really quickly and help build your immune system, and it's delicious at the same time. So this fettuccine, as I said, I made this, so this is gonna cook really quickly. Pasta's ready to go. I strain it of the pasta water, and then we just let this pasta and the sauce cook together. So once this pasta has absorbed some of the sauce, I'm gonna put a little bit of Parmesan cheese in it. Let everybody sort of get to know each other in there. It gets a little bit creamy. Pecans, I chop them up and I put a little bit of cayenne pepper and a little bit of salt. I'm gonna use these pecans because they're on Dr. Lee's list, and you gotta listen to the doctor's orders for sure, especially when it's Will Lee. He knows what he's talking about. So I put everything on top like this, a little bit more Parmesan over the top. I grab my pecans, and in just a few minutes, you've got a beautiful, delicious dish Dr. Lee would approve, I'm sure.